Okay, so let's put it all together now. Now, if you did not set this up from the beginning with two separate layers with the template on a template layer, that is okay. What I want you to do is before you do anything else going forward, select that template, go up to Object, and lock it. Lock just that selection. So that way when you grab the rest of the pieces of your face, it will not screw that up. My other suggestion to you is let's grab and group the eyes. So draw a marquee around them. Object, group. Group that together. Same with the eyebrows. Object, group. The face. Group the pieces together. Your mouth. The nose. And the hair, for now, do not group. We're going to deal with the hair last. All right, so first, let's grab our face and bring it over. And this is a good time to think about the scale of everything because you don't want to leave it just the size it is. Anytime that you are scaling something, you need to hold down Shift to scale it proportionally. So let's first scale our head and get it nice and neat and centered on the page as best as we can. Next, I want you to select all of these other pieces, the eyes, the eyebrows, the lips, the nose, and I want you to say Object, Arrange, bring it to the front. And then we're going to grab each of the pieces separately. So let's bring our eyes in. And again, we're going to have to start scaling. So think about how big your eyes would be on the page and kind of the placement of them. A little bit higher than the ear. Grab your nose. And again, think about the scale on the page. And placement. The mouth. She has a little bit of a possessed look, I must say. Now here I can tell you, the eyebrows, you're going to scale them, and they're not exactly going to match up with the eyes. That happens every time. So you might have to move them a little bit to get them where they are supposed to go. On the eyes. So that might mean ungrouping them. Moving one over. There we go. And now the hair. Remember I said let's deal with the hair last? So you're going to grab the hair and first thing first, you're going to scale it. So let's just kind of scale the hair. She looks a little bit like Chewbacca right now to where we need it to be. And I want you to grab the pieces of hair that need to go to the back. So just those pieces that really just need to go to the back, and that might be this whole piece as well. Hold down Shift and select it all and say Object, Arrange, Send to Back. And anything that needs to go to the front, bring it to the front. So that means bringing it in front of the eyes that you drew as well. And it might cover her eyes a little bit, but that is fine. And now you've got her nice and centered on the page.